Hey y'all, today we're going to be working on a 2009 Jetta TDI wagon. It does have a CJAA in it instead of the CBE. Today we're going to replacing the old map sensor with the 4-bar map sensor. Let's get into it. Now before we get started, always make sure when you're jacking up your car or it's on a lift, make sure it's nice and sturdy and it's not going anywhere. So the map sensor on this engine is located right next to the AC compressor, right there where the beam with the light is at. So alrighty y'all, so after like 30 minutes of struggling to get this pipe off, all you need to do, basically get a T30, loosen that one, get a T30 and loosen that one. They're located right here and right here where that connector is at, right there. Basically all you're gonna wanna do is loosen up that clamp right there and then kind of wiggle it around. And then it's gonna be a little bit of a pain in the butt because these wires are in the way. But once you get that clamp loose and you maneuver the pipe out of here, then what you're gonna wanna do is take the pipe off and then get a T20 and remove these two bolts and then put your new map sensor on. And then after that, you basically just do the reverse process of putting it back on. Oh, and one more thing I forgot to mention is it will be easier if you remove the grease pipe that goes here. Because obviously you have to take this off. But thank you guys for watching and